Hey everyone, happy February and welcome into the fastest 2 minutes in auto repair. This is the rundown. Tony, I know you've been deep diving on analytics for RO creation recently. What have you been seeing?
One of my favorite tools is Google Trends. So I always look at auto repair near me, car repair near me, and compare it against year over year information. So we are flat year over year, actually a little bit dip in 2025. I know a lot of the times when this happens, the shop owners have the opportunity to spend a little bit more times with the vehicle and they sell more. And so is that something you're seeing on your side with ROs?
No, it's pretty similar. Typically in the beginning of the year, it starts out pretty flat and then it grows, especially as we get towards Q3. The more interesting piece is we've seen a jump of about $10 million per week in attached RO revenue and a jump from about $530 to $580 in average repair order year over year. So slight uptick in ROs maybe, but really big gains on the revenue and ARO side.
Yeah, that's pretty common. And I want to talk a little bit about your class at Vision because I know there's a lot that shop management can do. Can you tell me a little bit about this class?
3.5 hour workshop on how to sell more work with your shop management system. I know you're no stranger to these longer workshop sessions. I'm going to have a shop owner there, product expert myself. We're going to talk about DVI, payment processing, your matrices in your system, a lot of different tangible ways that we can get you more effective within your software. So really looking forward to that March 7th as a part of Vision. Finish us off here. Talk to us about tariffs. A lot of conjecture in Facebook groups right now. A lot of customers calling in and asking, what's your take on it?
Yeah, it's across the board. I'm hearing it from our clients. I'm hearing it from my CS account managers, from our clients talking about it. Really, it's a wait and see approach right now, right? We've seen some get rolled out. We've seen some get pulled back. There's speculation. We don't really know what's going to happen at the end of the day. So I would say pay attention to it, but don't worry about it just yet. Wait and see what happens.
Love it. That was the fastest 2 minutes in auto repair. Thanks again for watching the rundown.